Look, I get it. When most of us think about approaching a girl, we think about rejection, we think about making a fool of ourselves, we think about embarrassment and judgment of others. But sometimes none of this happens. Sometimes it's just smooth. Girl doesn't even question why we even talk to her. She straight up smiles at us. She's friendly, she's open, she wants to go on a date, no resistance. It's wonderful, and it's kind of like why we all do this, right? One good one makes you forget all the other bad ones. And today, we're gonna watch a good one. We're gonna watch Tim, our student on the life boot camp, experience this exact emotion, this exact experience. Beautiful lady, stops right away, engages him, asks questions, smiles, and everything is just smooth. So let's enjoy this episode.
Hey, sorry.
Hi.
I saw you walking by.
Hi.
You look amazing.
Thank you. What's
I
your
just
name?
say hi. I'm Tim.
Tim?
Yes.
Are you from here?
No, I'm not.
Where are you from?
From the Netherlands.
Oh my god, I was there 5 years ago and I love it. What are you doing here?
Just chilling with friends.
I like that.
Small vacation.
That's awesome. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What are you doing here?
I work here, so I'm like a makeup artist, self-taught makeup artist. Today's a public holiday and I'm trying to look for a, there it is, Millennium Bank. I was looking for a Millennium Bank.
What are you going to do there?
I need to deposit something, some money. Yeah. Do you like Poland?
Honestly, it's pretty nice.
pretty
They have
dope.
nice buildings, the weather is good.
And it's clean.
It is very clean.
Yeah.
Although Amsterdam is clean
Oh.
as well.
Nothing tops Amsterdam. I
You
love
think so?
Amsterdam. My
What-
favorite city.
But you only were there 5 years ago.
I know, but I was there for 3 months and I didn't want to leave.
Still you did.
Yeah, it was really good. It was nice to meet you, Tim.
Where are you
Are you
going?
heading that direction?
Yeah, I am actually.
I'm also heading.
Oh, that's good. Usually I would never talk to people on the street. I'll be quite closed off. Now within 2 days, I've actually found it's quite easy to just have a conversation with somebody, and it really opens up a lot of possibilities because you can just start a conversation with everybody and anything can happen, really.
So what are you doing today? It's a weekend.
Today I was just walking around.
Is it your first
Uh,
time in Poland?
Yeah, first time in the city.
You'll love it. I've been here for 7 years.
Living here, non-stop.
Yeah, in Warsaw.
Why?
Warsaw is the best city.
Why?
Why? Because I was studying and then I'm working now. I like it. It's safe and it's clean.
Did you study for a makeup artist?
No, I studied something else and now I'm kind of like just doing my own thing, really.
So you studied for many years and then you said, fuck it, I won't do anything with it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so you're heading this direction?
I'm heading that direction.
Okay, I'm heading this direction.
Okay.
It was nice to meet you.
Yeah. If you want, we can exchange Instagram. We can
Yeah, that's
grab a
awesome.
coffee.
Do you have?
Yeah, you can add me. Amazing.
Awesome. Thank you.
Amazing.
See you around.
See ya.
See you.
Nice luck. Good luck at the
Bye.
bank.
Beautiful. So, do all approaches go like that? No, of course not, right? But the inspiring thought of the day is there is a girl out there right now, might be right in front of your doorstep or in the next park or close to the next cafe. There is a girl who wants to be approached and who would react like this. That's a fact. The problem is we don't know which one. So we kind of have to go through a little bit of cringe, a little bit of rejection. And as I've covered in another video, 80 to 90% of reactions in my, year-long scientific experiment of approaching thousands of girls and witnessing tens of thousands of approaches in students, 80 to 90% of reactions are positive, right? So there's actually nothing to worry about, but I get it, right? It's not easy. So we don't know which one is gonna react like that, but they are out there and we have to find them and we have to say hi. And then what can happen is a date. What can happen is kiss, intimacy, waking up to this person, smiling at her, feeling her skin touch our skin, having sex, maybe in the morning, maybe in the afternoon, maybe in the evening. And then turning her into a lover, maybe a relationship, maybe more, maybe less. But the opportunity is out there, but you have to go out there and get it, not watch another YouTube video. So if you want to take action, you've heard me say that before, you can apply for coaching down below. That's the first easy step. It takes 3 minutes to fill out the application form, and then we're gonna have a no pressure first consultation chat where we just see, is it a fit? Can you afford it? Is it the right time for you? Can we actually help you? And then we go from there. No pressure. So yeah, wonderful what's out there. And thanks again to Tim for putting himself on YouTube for you guys to get inspired. So give him some good vibes in the comments, like and subscribe, and that's it. If you want to see him, not perform that well, or basically struggle a little bit in roleplay and infield, you can watch Tim's other episode here. And other than that, thanks for watching and enjoying this with me, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.